How to use CJ Affiliate 2023 CJ Affiliate for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So you would like to earn money into the CJ affiliation process. I'm going to be showing you on how you're going to get started. So let's dig into it. All right. So the first thing that you're going to need to do in order to get started is of course go into the CJ platform, and here is the platform where it's going to be helping us to get some great affiliation and experiences in order to earn money by driving some traffic into, specific websites. So in order to get started, once again, what I want you to do is sign up, and I'm going to be, walking you through the whole sign up process, which is totally easy. And down here, you can also see their partnerships, which, give a more sense of reality that, yeah, this product has been used before for affiliation. So there's obviously two ways. You could either become an advertiser or you could become a publisher. Okay. So here on advertiser, it says expand your brand's reach. You can drive more sales and reward world-class publishers for successfully promoting your product. So an advertiser is mainly, a person that's telling other people to promote their brand. A publisher is, more close to an affiliate because it's a partner with the world's best brands. You can earn commissions by partnering with advertisers and actually publishing their brand as the name publisher. So obviously publisher is more of the affiliate part. So obviously to go with that part, you're going to need to go ahead and sign up because it just leads you to more successful, you could say, workings and more successful judgings of the actual, you could say, partnerships and brands. And you could do whatever in your case, but as I said, in my case, I'm going to go ahead and sign up with this. Now, obviously, the sign up process is really simple. What it's going to do is it's going to take you to the publisher sign up, which is going to ask you a few things. So you're going to choose your language, you're going to choose your country of affiliation. Then it's going to ask you to add in your email. Then it's going to ask you to write in a password for yourself as well. Once you've done that, just go ahead and confirm your password. And once all of that is done, from there, what you're going to want to be doing is you're going to verify everything for yourself. So I'm going to go with I'm not a robot, click on verify email. And once all of that is done, it's going to send a verification link to your email. And all you're going to want to do from there is just verify everything up. And once you've confirmed your email and verified, from there on out, your CJ Publisher account is going to be fully done. It's going to be fully created, and you're going to be good to go with your, necessities. So obviously, I have, done my publishing. So we're going to bring this here. As you can see, here's the tab. And obviously, you don't need the other sign up tab, so you can just close that if you want to. But yeah, once you've done that, one thing that I forgot to mention is you are going to make sure that the country you choose is the country you want to do proper affiliation in. And I would recommend a country that you're close to. But if you don't want to go with that, you can also go with a country that is, more driving in sales. That could be, North American countries preferably. So you could go with, different things like US, Mexico, Brazil, etc. Then all you're going to need to do is just open these things up, read them if you want to, but to quickly just skim through them, open them up, click on agree, and then finally you're going to go ahead and continue to your account. Now once you're over here, you're just going to enter your email address and everything once again to verify that it's actually you. And once you do all of that, you're going to click on login. And once you click on login, finally, it's going to take you through the whole login process easily and simply, and you're going to get straight into your CJ affiliate dashboard. Okay. It's going to take you through the onboarding where it might set you up. It's going to ask you a few things, what type of affiliation you want to do, what type of affiliation you want to go with. So you can click on get started, and here you are. So this is your onboarding and checklist guides. And we can see that we have the onboarding checklist right here. And in order to activate your account, what you need to do is after you validated your email, you're going to enter the necessary information like user info, network profile. You're going to add promotional property, company details, submit tax form, provide payment information. So, they get the proper gateway to send you money. Okay. Because obviously the dollars you make over here, they are going to need a gateway to send those things to you. So you are going to make sure to add everything properly. And once you've done that, it's going to finally activate your account. And once you've activated your account, then obviously that is how you're going to be able to get the proper list of, finances and the proper list of affiliations. And you can just easily, like, let's say I'm going to click on activate account. Now, obviously, it says you're going to need to, go ahead to your onboarding checklists and do these different things for yourself. So you can do that later on. Obviously, you don't need to activate your account straight from the get-go. Like, let's say I'm going to go over to my advertisers over here. My advertisers obviously contain the advertisers that you have previously worked with or are currently working with. And you can obviously find different advertisers as well. My advertisers are the active advertisers, but you can obviously close that, choose this filter over here, which says all. And once you choose all, you're going to click on search and you're going to see all the different advertisers that are available on the CJ affiliate platform. And obviously, it depends on you on whatever type of advertiser or affiliate you want to go with. And choosing a project is a pretty, you could say, important part. So, you obviously want to start earning money, but to do that, you're going to figure out what kind of actual markers and platforms you want to actually start earning money on. So, as you can see, there's a lot of programs, and you might be wondering what kind of, program would you like to choose and which one is the best for you? Well, what to do that or to figure that out, what we want to do is to check which one pays us the most. And here you can see in the left-hand side, you can add different keywords for yourself as well. You can go into categories, choose different categories, choose different advertisers, countries if you want to. All the essential things that it takes to, you could say, actually run this type of affiliation. And obviously, it depends on you on whatever type of niche of affiliation you also want to go with. Like, don't just see that, oh my God, like this is giving me $91 for 7 days. Yeah, I'm definitely going to apply for this. Don't just go for that. Also, check if the network earnings are good and check if the job is actually good for the type of things you want to do. Now, this is basically, a recycling company that you're potentially going to be, affiliating for. You're going to affiliate their platform. And to get details about this affiliation or this advertiser, you're going to click it and it's going to open up this whole box. So here we can see 1-800-GOT-JUNK commercial services. You can see the CEO contact. You can even see their URL that you can go to. So, just to see if it's actual good thing. So you can see their website, they're actually a pretty well-known company. You can check their socials if you want to. You can see when they joined the network. They joined it in 2011. Serviceable areas are Australia, Canada, and United States, which is obviously North America, which I, pretty much like. Supported currencies are obviously the Australian, Canadian, and United States dollar. And then they're going to give you the description on what you're going to want to do. So, all traffic must have a valid affiliate promo code appended to the tracking link that they're going to give you. Obviously, if you apply for this, they're going to give you a link which will have a separate code for you. This code will be assigned to your links. The promo code itself will enable a $10 discount for the customers you refer. Any jobs referred without the designated code will result in $0 commission. So obviously, you are going to want to keep the thought process of that. But all you're going to do to apply to this job is just click on apply to program. Your application will be reviewed, and if they like it, you're going to get an email and you're going to be an affiliate or a publisher in this case for these advertisers. So yeah, that's pretty much it about CJ Affiliate. That is how you're going to use this wonderful platform and start earning money. So if you enjoyed that video, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.